guys, so this course, I liked it. It was a very intriguing course, and all of the details of the MERN Stack are explained so well. I think it is the best course I've come across, and I got this course in the 17 courses for 999 package, and it's the best investment for anyone who is preparing for their job interviews, is trying to learn a new skill. I think it's wonderful, and the best part about is that everything that is explained in this course has some practice questions as well, interview questions as well. So it provides you with all the detail, as well as you can make your own projects. There are a lot of projects associated. So I think it's the best part about it. Moreover, what I think that since it's in Hindi, it's our native language for all Indians. So it's very easy to understand, because sometimes there's a language barrier and people cannot understand. So that's what I like the most. And thank you, Arun Bhaiya, for this course. It's lovely.